Open concept homes are beautiful in theory, but in real life, they can sometimes feel harder to soften than people expect. Without the right color palette, large connected spaces can quickly start to feel exposed, overly bright, or emotionally unfinished. Even when the furniture is beautiful and the layout is perfectly designed, that's why paint color matters so much more in an open concept home. The right shade can quiet the entire atmosphere. It can blur visual noise, warm up empty expanses, and create a home that feels cohesive instead of constantly on display. In today's video, we're exploring 10 designer-loved paint colors that make open spaces feel calmer, softer, and far more elegant to live in. Some feel light and airy with a clean, modern warmth. Others create a richer, moodier sense of comfort that makes a home feel intimate by the end of the day. And by the time we reach number 1, you'll see why one timeless shade continues to appear in some of the most effortlessly beautiful interiors year after year. Color number 10, Eggshell Paint Color. Eggshell has a softness that feels immediately comforting in an open concept home. It's subtle, understated, and quietly elegant in a way that never tries too hard. In larger spaces especially, this color seems to soften everything around it. Warm wood floors, linen upholstery, textured rugs, even the natural light moving through the room throughout the day. In the morning, it carries a creamy warmth that feels fresh and relaxed. But in the evening, under soft lamps and layered lighting, it becomes even more beautiful. The walls take on this gentle glow that makes the entire space feel calmer and more intimate. It's easy to imagine this shade in a peaceful living room with oversized seating, natural oak finishes, and long sheer drapes catching the late afternoon light. Nothing feels overly styled, just comfortable, elevated, and beautifully lived in. And that's really the charm of Eggshell. It creates elegance quietly. But the next color moves in a slightly different direction, lighter, airier, and even more serene in the way it transforms open spaces. Color number 9, Timid White Paint Color. Timid White feels like a deep breath for the home. There's something incredibly calming about the way this color settles into a space without ever feeling stark or overly crisp. In open concept interiors, where bright whites can sometimes feel a little too sharp, Timid White introduces softness instead. The effect is almost atmospheric. Natural light spreads gently across the walls, creating a quiet sense of warmth that makes connected spaces feel smoother and more cohesive. Kitchens blend beautifully into living areas. Hallways feel less transitional and more intentional. This is the kind of color that works beautifully with layered neutrals, warm creams, woven textures, pale woods, soft upholstery that invites people to sit down and stay a while. The entire home begins to feel lighter emotionally, not just visually. There's also something timeless about it. It doesn't chase trends or compete for attention. It simply creates a calm backdrop for everyday living. And if Timid White feels soft and effortless, the next shade introduces a cleaner, more architectural kind of elegance that feels quietly luxurious in an entirely different way. Color number 8, Chantilly Lace. Chantilly lace brings a refined brightness into a home that feels instantly elevated. This is the kind of white that makes architecture stand out beautifully. Tall ceilings, custom millwork, expansive windows, all suddenly feeling more intentional and tailored. But what keeps it from feeling cold is what surrounds it. Picture warm walnut tones, soft textured fabrics, oversized linen chairs, brushed brass accents catching the light in the evening. Chantilly lace allows all of those details to breathe while still giving the home a polished, cohesive atmosphere. There's a freshness to this color that feels especially beautiful in open concept layouts. Light moves effortlessly from room to room, creating spaces that feel expansive without losing their warmth. It's the shade of a home that feels carefully curated but still deeply comfortable. Fresh flowers on the kitchen island, a cashmere throw draped casually over the sofa, quiet music playing somewhere in the background while the late afternoon sun pours through oversized windows. And yet, the next color softens things again, introducing a warmth that feels more intimate, layered, and quietly romantic. Color number 7, Scallop Paint Color. Scallop has a way of making a home feel instantly more personal. Where brighter neutrals can sometimes feel a bit formal, this shade introduces warmth in a much gentler, more relaxed way. It almost wraps the room in softness, especially in open concept homes where too much openness can sometimes feel emotionally unfinished. In the right lighting, Scallop becomes incredibly atmospheric. By late afternoon, the walls seem to absorb the golden warmth of the sun, creating that cozy glow people often try to recreate in luxury boutique hotels and beautifully restored homes. It feels calm, layered, and deeply inviting. This color works especially well alongside tactile materials. Plaster finishes, boucle fabrics, aged wood, brushed metals, heavy linen drapery that pools softly onto the floor. There's a sense of quiet character to it. Nothing feels overly modern or overly traditional, just timeless and beautifully lived in. And just when the palette begins to feel warmer and more cocooning, the next color introduces a breath of coastal calm that completely changes the mood of the home. Color number 6, windy blue paint color. Windy blue feels peaceful in the most effortless way. It carries that soft, faded quality you often see in coastal homes where sunlight, linen, and natural textures have all softened together over time. In open concept spaces, it brings an immediate sense of calm, without making the home feel overly themed or overly colorful. What makes this shade so beautiful is how gently it changes throughout the day. In bright morning light, it feels airy and refreshing, but as evening settles in and warmer lighting takes over, it becomes softer, moodier, and surprisingly elegant. You can almost picture it surrounding a quiet sitting area with slip-covered furniture, weathered wood tables, and oversized windows left slightly open to the breeze. The entire home feels slower somehow. Windy blue also has a way of visually organizing large spaces. Open kitchens feel calmer, dining areas feel more intimate. The home begins to feel emotionally balanced instead of visually busy, and if this shade feels relaxing, the next one brings an even lighter sense of tranquility that feels almost spa-like in the way it transforms a room. Color number 5, watery paint color. Watery introduces a freshness that feels instantly uplifting. Some paint colors make a room look beautiful. This one changes the mood entirely. In open concept homes filled with natural light, Watery creates a clean, breathable atmosphere that feels peaceful without ever becoming sterile. The color seems to reflect light softly across the walls, giving the entire space this quiet sense of movement throughout the day. It's especially striking paired with pale oak flooring, creamy textured fabrics, natural stone, and soft layered lighting in the evening. The home begins to feel less hectic, more restorative. There's also something subtly optimistic about this shade. It feels bright, but not sharp. Calm, but never dull. The kind of atmosphere that makes everyday routines feel slower and more intentional. You can imagine early mornings here. Coffee brewing quietly in the kitchen, sunlight spilling across stone countertops, soft shadows moving across the walls as the house slowly wakes up. And while Watery feels light and refreshing, the next shade introduces a richer sense of calm, one that designers continue using when they want a home to feel elegant, grounded, and timeless all at once. Color number 4, sea salt paint color. Sea salt has become one of those colors people return to again and again for a reason. It creates calm almost instantly. The shade shifts beautifully depending on the light, sometimes leaning softly green, sometimes more muted gray, occasionally carrying the faintest coastal blue undertone, and that subtle complexity is what gives it such a refined, elevated feel. In open concept homes, sea salt softens visual noise in a remarkable way. Large connected rooms suddenly feel quieter and more cohesive while still maintaining that airy openness people love. Picture warm white cabinetry, textured linen seating, natural oak beams, and soft evening light glowing gently against the walls. Everything feels more relaxed, more breathable, more emotionally settled. It's also incredibly timeless, not trendy, not attention-seeking, just consistently beautiful in the background of everyday life. And as calming as sea salt feels, the next shade introduces something even more comforting, a deeper warmth that makes large homes feel intimate and quietly luxurious. Color number 3, relaxed khaki paint color. Relaxed khaki brings a grounded warmth into a home that feels deeply comforting. This is the kind of color that transforms open concept spaces from visually impressive into emotionally inviting. The moment it surrounds a room, everything feels softer, calmer, and more connected. Under natural daylight, it has an organic warmth that pairs beautifully with layered textures and earthy materials. But in the evening, this color becomes especially beautiful. Lamplight reflects gently across the walls, creating that rich, cozy atmosphere often associated with luxury resort interiors and upscale mountain retreats. It feels sophisticated without becoming formal. Imagine oversized upholstered seating, walnut wood tones, woven baskets, soft rugs underfoot, and the quiet glow of recessed lighting after sunset. The home feels collected over time rather than perfectly staged, and that emotional warmth is what makes relaxed khaki so compelling. It invites people to slow down. But the next shade softens things even further, introducing a level of understated elegance that makes an entire home feel quietly expensive. Color number 2, pale oak paint color. Pale oak has a softness that feels incredibly refined. It doesn't immediately demand attention, yet somehow it changes the atmosphere of a home almost instantly. Open concept spaces begin to feel calmer, warmer, and far more intimate without losing their brightness. What makes pale oak so beautiful is the way it responds to changing light. During the day, it feels creamy and luminous. By evening, it takes on this gentle, cocooning warmth that pairs beautifully with soft architectural lighting and layered natural textures. This is often the kind of shade you notice in homes that feel effortlessly elegant, spaces filled with quiet details rather than obvious design statements. Warm woods, tailored upholstery, sculptural lamps, textured drapery filtering soft light into the room. Nothing feels overdone. Instead, the entire home carries this peaceful sense of balance that feels incredibly luxurious in today's world. And somehow, the final color on this list manages to feel even more timeless. The kind of shade that quietly pulls every element of a home together. Color number 1, Edgecomb gray paint color. Edgecomb gray has a way of making a home feel instantly settled. Not overly warm, not overly cool, just balanced in the most beautiful and calming way. In open concept interiors, that balance becomes incredibly important. Large spaces can sometimes feel disconnected or visually overwhelming, but Edgecomb gray softens everything. It gently carries the eye from one room to the next, creating flow without sacrificing intimacy. The effect feels subtle at first, then suddenly the entire home feels warmer, softer, more complete. This color works beautifully with nearly everything people are craving in interiors right now. Natural oak flooring, creamy upholstery, layered linen textures, warm stone finishes, soft ambient lighting glowing in the evening hours. And unlike trend-driven shades that quickly feel dated, Edgecomb gray has a timeless quality that feels deeply reassuring. It creates the kind of atmosphere people never seem to tire of, a home that feels elegant without trying too hard, calm without feeling empty, sophisticated but still deeply livable. It's the color of a home people genuinely want to spend time in. I'd love to know which of these colors felt the most like home to you. Maybe it was the airy softness of windy blue, the quiet warmth of pale oak, or the timeless balance of Edgecomb gray. Tell me in the comments which one you could most easily imagine surrounding your own space. And if you enjoyed this little tour through calming luxury interiors, there's another beautiful video waiting for you right here, all about the warm, neutral paint colors designers are using to make modern homes feel softer, richer, and far more inviting. Until next time, thank you for spending a little quiet time with me today.